Meaning of dormer.
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 Dormer. A dormer is a structural element in a building's roof that protrudes vertically from the plane of a sloping roof surface. It typically contains a window and provides additional headroom and natural light to a converted loft or attic. Dormers come in various shapes and sizes, including gable, hipped, shed, eyebrow, and inset. Historically, dormers were used to improve ventilation or provide access to a rooftop lookout, but today they are primarily used to increase the usable living space in a home or add architectural interest to a building's facade.